Now, my mention what the Kudienti a best idea way. Now, Shadia, let me show you this. See, this is what they are going to do.
What the committee say? Destruction of state properties. Destruction of state properties being and the chance over being over $1.2 million a core hospital which means destruction of state properties being a chance.
Security aspect when you movie. Yes, I 12 million a year Ghana City. A good two briefcase and the command speaker was Mandy Babbing. No the fee. Then I make a Ubia. Power. More fire. Nah, you do commander could do baby.
And there's one thing I want to put out there. So we are NDC, now we are appointee. And this is very serious. And I want you guys to take it very serious. Especially, moi ya appointee to public office. Moi moye CEOs. Moi moye ministers. I have said this and I'm not going to say this again. Get your legal teams on standby. Adia John Mahama, Nipebede said John Mahama Dean was because John Mahama did not activate his legal team when he was in power. The NDC as a political party did not see the need to activate their legal team when they were in office. Individuals who were given jobs to do, to work for John Mahama or work for the party or work for Ghanaians, they refuse to understand, say, you having your legal team on standby, a very important, and it is one of those things, a protected Juma way. The NPP as a political party, they have an agenda now to come out with more jandam. I don't want anybody to come and say, Obia Kansama Tomeso, Onya Abua, you have the right to caution the person and sue. So Obi Betna radio so, Obi Betna social media, Obi Betna Facebook, Obi Betna YouTube. Now, we occupy any position John Mahama at the amount to serve the people of Ghana. Now, so Obi Betna Facebook can want some ne enya no kre. You need to quickly alert your legal team to caution the person for the person to retract. So wo sa nipa no wa anye sa de no. Na wo ma nipa no ekoso ye sa de na. We will let the people know say sa bon na ampa wedi. In this way John Mahama appointee, whether CEO, whether minister, whether whatever. So we better not Facebook, or we better not YouTube, not obeka some without facts. So we better so work to watch $10,000 our TV so Facebook, radio. Now to me capture, you need to let the person prove it. Obi better so work to down waha. And now we position way. Now we need way. Now and then the year when you say as me say akotoka obo ding ebo institutional denim. Activate your legal team and question the person. Said they need to prove evidence because this is the only way you can protect this government and protect yourself. Sadna John Mahama from 2012 and the nipa beki kan samotone so ama nkwasiafo bi gidi. It was too late. It has taken you and I almost 8 years to clean John Mahama for the world to know that John Mahama is not guilty of all the lies. It's a tough job. I'm not going to do that for anybody. I'm not going to do it for any of you appointees. My job is to protect John Mahama. My job is to make sure when he does the right thing, I commend him. When he does the wrong thing, I rebuke him. That is my job. My job is to try and help the president be a president for every Ghanaian. The president never to move away from his promise. The president should fulfill what he has told the people of Ghana. It is my job to be guiding the president how he governs. It is my job to rebuke him when he goes wrong. It is your job to protect yourself. Because if you don't, we will all help the president to sack you. Because perception is dangerous. Perception, allegations. This piece is very important to me. We are CEO, we are minister, we are whatever, MP. So be better on Facebook. And you people should make sure you have people who are managing your respective Facebook accounts. Be monitoring shows on Facebook. Asemba Akobaji say where they were Jimmy. Never say that in 2025. Maybe we are not that anchor say where they were Jimmy. This person is not relevant. You don't know who is listening. There are so many vulnerable people in Ghana. There are so many people who lack the common sense to break things down to make sense out of it. And there are so many vulnerable people who soak fake news, jandam, misinformation, and disinformation. Do not underestimate a madman, because so we were near or the so you have to always be alert. It's very important. And nobody should underestimate jandam. No CEO, no representative of John Mahama, no NDC executive should underestimate. Sit back. When you see it on social media, when the piece is cut and sent to you, take action. Let's say the only thing that brought you people to power is facts and mobile and speculations and allegations and misinformation and disinformation. The only people that saw John Mahama and the NDC got 57% was facts. Anything at Tihande, nobody has been able to come out to say this platform, so wako courts, or the evidence, biaba, win case. Nobody. So do not allow yourselves, especially the young ones. So John Mahama governance where he has infused a lot of young brains. You people have a long way to go. It is important you start protecting your integrity from now. Don't underestimate a mad dog. They carry rabies. So you and you be cow. Also for the another body timukuno. Obanyansafo. So this is something you people have to be very, very alert about. Get people to manage your Facebooks and be monitoring Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. So what tia samono obi betina ho ai ni anim wey ye ni so akoto dan wa ha obo udin pepe quick obo institution out there no quick cut the piece, send it to them, let them retract. If they fail, go to court. Listen. Aye juma we a check. Yente Ghana so yenim de organ nyina. So obi be kan wa asem o radio so Facebook, YouTube, onkuta documents to prove. So obi crampo insinuate and as obi try to create an impression, you can still caution. There's no harm in cautioning. There's no harm. Don't worry. It is your integrity and credibility that you are protecting. What you need to do, so what here, cut the piece, get the date. Nipakuro beka sa asem na fa ho. Mema kotoka. Wo hu se makotoka. O se mema kofo ba. O se mema koto de ndien. Jo mahama mami position no, and am there away. Please prove it. I am giving you 22 days. 1 week. If you are not able to come on that same platform to prove that with documents, take the person to court. We are going to open a fund. And that fund, a Loud Silence fund, what that fund will do, we are going to employ 3 lawyers. If you are an appointee and you are too busy, you can reach out to that agency. They will look into the matter. They will do the follow-up for you. We are going to put 3 lawyers on standby. I'll put them on my payroll. I'll pay them. They will be in Ghana. I'll announce the agency. I'll make sure it is registered in Ghana. It is officially put together for Ghanaians to know, say, this agency, when you are a government appointee, no be some on social media, whatever platform, all that you need to do is to alert this agency. The lawyers, they are not going to take a dime from you. They will follow up for you. So Nipana and retract it. What that firm will do or that agency will do is to lead the process of suing. 3 lawyers. And I've spoken to 1 or 2 who are ready to do this job without taking a dime. Definitely we'll give them something. Yeah, their stipends back and forth. But this is how we are going to stop. Besides, my system is jammed. You get it? This is how it's going to be. So, I'll journalism in Ghana, I'll vlogger, I'll blogger, I'll DN. Use the facts, that's all. Speculations, no. Obebo DB making sure say Dina o bono. Adanse taratuo. Sa, yate se, ye ntiasie, ene ko hu se. Ene ye hu let me show you an example of what I'm talking to you about. Thank you, team. Thank you for reminding me of this. We were about 10 minutes to start the Afenyo Markin piece. Now, my mention what the Kudienti Ayebe side way. Now, Shadie, let me show you this. See, this is what they are going to do. And Intina, this is very important. Now, Monshadie with you, this is what they will be doing.
When you be to Chadie, a demo, Umni, Wanyashi, one Kasa speaker, no to meet to parliament or a join parliament. I bear an apart 11 o'clock. Now, why you know? It be a meeting na nine. Na you need to be orumpo. Na ye patcho speaker baby na ne boa phone na wa the parliament safu agu no botum and oye and I yeah and ne bi no so afa parliament safu agu botum. Oh, my suspension. Over. Oh, my suspension. What the committee say? Destruction of state properties. Destruction of state properties being and the chance say over being what the $1.2 million a core hospital which means destruction of state properties being a chance. Say yes, charge will be a San ye win and yanka and ye sir was why number 3 and was why number 3 and with me challenge president na susuam pa say Ghana constitution ye adwuma Ghana obampanyi number 1 na wo ye number 3 a utimi wo da number 1 na say wo ye number 3 na utimi wo da number 1 a adi na number 15 utimi wo da number 3 say number 3 utimi wo da number 1 say wo no wa hye mra say number 1 ni so a adi na number 15 utimi wo da number 3 say wo so ma hye mra number 3 ni so ba be ndi e
Watena Wontumi TV say Albert Bagman for $1.2 million at the hospital. When providing any document, when providing any sheet, nothing. Wakatun konfobi team say Albert Bagman aircraft for. This is what they do. And obite kejetia, obite malata na Tony Trim. Now I say Albert Bagman reputation. Every single thing Albert Bagman are building na kwasia akwene nim se mokasi aseno in the name of politics yanke bi say ni pebi. Anytime we catch the NDC for these are things Alban Bagman lawyer and the lawyers they need to pick it up. Me bought a video of this dog
November say ko be kwa ye de ye na enro me security expert bi din komo asem ya make a security expert in nim ho bi more fire tie de make yi tie de make kan yi ho security expert won nim ho bi yes say 12 million a year Ghana cedi egu 2 briefcase mu and the command speaker Alban for man the babin e won fie me na make yi obi a more fire na ye din komana ko du ba bi de ntia wo je ses kan isi e chirim sa pepepe ohini. So
this is what they do. So one speaker Bagman and these dogs and these are all viral and people outside the world or outside Ghana are all watching. Speaker Akwaji 1.2 million they are called Dubai Hospital on Prove Bibia. Kramaiba was now Speaker Akwaji 1.2 million 12 million Ghana. These are things you don't let it slide. Alban Bagman. And that is why I am telling the NDC, there's nothing like Abua Wedi with Jimmy. You so with Jimmy, but I was here cool montem. What? Obekawa on finishing so on Kawa on finishing. Where was so with Jimmy? We are reference, so we are Jimmy for that is how they use them. So it is important. Is that all right? It is important to say, as Ghanaians, and as Ghanaians, they need to make sure, say, more NDC for more power, You don't treat these people as mice, and I say, these are demons. Baby, free, so they don't want to move away from Emwasem. So you treat them like animals. So an agency, I'll put an agency together in Ghana. I'll register it. And their job will be simple. If you are a government appointee, Obi kan wasem Obibeka say, oh, wakotam abansi kadi court. Dabi. Just report to that agency. They are lawyers. They will take it up. They will reach out to that person who said it and said, hey, we have a client who reached out to us. The client is saying, sir, what say? Why you say? Can you prove it? Because our client says, so when to prove ya, you have 1 week. Go on the same platform and apologize, retract, and let the world know you lied. So after 1 week, we activate because a fund. Me pesikawa America dia betum. Me besa me de about $500,000 gum. Just for 4 years. $500,000 me de be gum. Next I'll get 3 to 5 lawyers. No more. And this is what I am going to do. I want to sanitize the system. You better sanitize the system to the point to say, Obi betina radio so Obi Jenny. Obi betina Facebook Obi Jenny. People need to be sued. People need to be stopped. People need to be Jack. And I am saying it today. Give me maximum of 2 weeks. 2 weeks. I'll put the agency together. It will be registered in Ghana. I will come and publish it. And I'll let you people know the lawyers who will be working for us. I'll pay them. And their job is to make sure Jandam is dead. Thank you.
Yo! We are best fishermen. No, no answer mine. I watch it. It was for Belgium Pan. It was better Belgium Pan. It was two Belgium Pan. Why you why round what? Why you why round what? Why you why round what? Why you super why round what? It was for Belgium Pan. It was better Belgium Pan. It was two Belgium Pan. It was the Belgium Pan. Why you why round what? 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 Yeah, we papa no, what one is the motto? Yeah, we papa no, what one is the motto? Yeah, we papa no, what one is the motto? Yeah, we papa no, what one is the motto? Why round what? Why you why round what? I want it. Original. I will go for Belgium Pan. I want me to Belgium Pan. I will do a Belgium Pan. I will do a Belgium Pan. Why you why round what? 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 Yeah, we papa no, what one is the motto? Yeah, we papa no, what one is the motto? Yeah, we papa no, what one is the motto? Yeah, we papa no, what one is the motto? Why round what? Why you why round what? I want it. Original. I will go for Belgium Pan. I want me to Belgium Pan. Yo, we are best fishermen. No answer mine. I watch it. It was for Belgium Pan. It was better Belgium Pan. It was two Belgium Pan. Why you why round what? Why you why round what? Why you why round what? Why you super why round what? It was for Belgium Pan. It was better Belgium Pan. It was two Belgium Pan. It was the Belgium Pan. Why you why round what? Why you why round what? Why you why round what? Why you why Why